Welcome students. Today we are going to see Science Chapter 1 Measurement. Physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. The principles and the observations in physics is known as to develop a deeper understanding of nature. I like to start with the class with a lovely quotation from the scientist Grace Hopper. One accurate measurement is worth 1,000 expert opinions. So, physics is all take about measurement. Measurement is very important. So, in this chapter, we are going to see measurement. What is measurement? It is a process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. What is physical quantity? Quantities in terms of which laws of physics can be expressed and which can be measured directly or indirectly. For example, length is equal to 10 meter, mass 20 kg, time 10 second. These are all physical quantities. Physical quantity is equal to magnitude into unit. Here 10 is magnitude, m is unit. If you want to measure the length of the table or classroom, we are using the measuring tape. So by using the tape, we can see the unit that is mentioned, where it is meter, etc. So there are the standard quantities. Now we are going to see system of units. So there are three system of units: FPS system, CGS system and MKS system. What is FPS system? F for foot. That is, in olden days, for measuring the length they use foot. So F foot for length, P pound for mass, S second for time. Next, CGS system: C centimeter for length, G gram for mass and S second for time. MKS: M meter for length, K kilogram for mass, S second for time. So these three systems are followed in the measurement topics. Among these three systems, the CGS, MKS and SA units, that is International System of Units. These three systems are called metric system. It is used for measuring purpose. But FPS is British System of Units. So there are four systems including the SA units. So based on the International System of Units, the physical quantities, that is the quantity, they may be classified into 7 types. So there are 7 physical quantities. They are all otherwise called as base quantities. And these base quantities, the 7, are called as the fundamental units. Basic units, units which can be derived from one another, not can they be further resolved into any other units. Here derived units, units of the physical quantity which can be expressed in terms of fundamental units. Next we are going to see the base quantities, their units and their symbols. So the 7 base quantities are, now we'll see their units and symbols. Length, the unit is meter, the symbol is small m. Mass, unit kilogram, symbol kg. Time, unit second, symbol small s. Temperature, unit Kelvin, symbol capital K. Electric current, unit ampere, symbol capital A. Amount of substance, unit mole, symbol MOL. Luminous intensity, candela, the symbol is CD. So in your lower classes, you have already learnt about length, mass, time. So now we are going to see temperature, electric current, amount of substance and luminous intensity. We are going to see all these four in detail in my next video. So thank you students.